8th standard letter writing. Write a letter to the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation about the wastage of water due to broken pipe near your school. From B. Preeti, 83 KNV Nagar, Tuticorin. True. The officer in charge, Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Tuticorin. Respected sir, subject. The waste of water due to broken pipe near our school. The wastage of water due to a broken pipeline at the construction site near our school, Wales Vidyalaya. The water was leaking for last 6 days. Due to leakage, the area is full of mud and very slippery. The mosquito began to breed there and it became a health hazard. We request you to look into the problem immediately and repair the broken pipe as soon as possible. Thank you. Yours faithfully, B. Preeti, 28/8/23, Tuticorin. Address on envelope. True. The officer in charge, Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Tuticorin. 8.